Good design is about making something look good and also about feeling great in the space that you're in. My name is Patrick. Most people know me because I have a large following on Instagram where I talk about fashion, design, travel. I also live in New York City and own a talent management agency, and my team works out of this very apartment once a week. So I've designed a space that I feel good living in and is also great for my team to work out of. The dining room is a good example of what I've done throughout the apartment, and a really great mix of old and new. This mid-century design chair paired with an antique farmhouse table that I use both as a dining table and as a shared workspace for my team. The other thing you notice are the super high ceilings that are pressed in that creates the most beautiful charm to this space. And then on the walls, I have these brass candle sconces, so I can light real candles for like a perfect glow during dinner parties. So the space that I spend the most time in is the living room. The pièce de résistance is this massive pier mirror. It is an architectural salvage piece, but it fits so perfectly here. So I wanted to contrast this like period detail with this more contemporary sofa, and this coffee table is perfect because it's low, matching the sofa. It's really unusual and I think just looks so beautiful in the space. Probably the most original corner of the home is this exposed brick wall. With a working wood-burning fireplace, I decided to hang this vintage bicycle, and it's both functional because I use this bicycle, but it also sort of looks like a piece of art. So one of my favorite parts about the living room is that I actually have a terrace. It's technically not a terrace, it's a fire escape, but in New York terms, it's a massive terrace. When I'm entertaining, this is probably where you'll find me. I installed shelving where I could house my massive liquor collection. I can literally make any cocktail when friends drop in. Manhattan, anyone? This kitchen may be small, but it's super functional. We installed a lot of cabinetry because storage in New York City is always the most important thing. On the other side, I installed this marble countertop. I love marble, I love the texture that it has. One thing you'll notice is that I don't have any overhead cabinets because I wanted to leave plenty of room for my artwork. This brass rail is both a beautiful design piece and it allows me to have everything I need right at my fingertips. The focal point of the office is this massive table. I love that it's two-toned. The top is both brass and marble. Pairs perfectly well with this lighting fixture from Apparatus. And the wall looks like it's painted ombre, but it's actually wallpaper. I love how this room came together, both as an office space and an intimate dining room. The bedroom is petite, it's tiny, it's cozy. The bed itself has storage underneath. Other than that, it was really about bringing in lots of textures to make it a really like cozy and comfortable space. I wanted to make the bathroom just as nice of a place to be as any other area in my apartment. On one wall, I have a collection of vintage mirrors. On another wall, I have a neon sign that I got for my 40th birthday. Looking down the hallway, you'll see at the end, I picked up this vintage cabinet. It has a glass front so you can see everything, and it's also super shallow, so the fragrances are just displayed beautifully. I want people to use the fragrances, and I'll know, whether or not they admit it, I love the fact that they're using it. This is my New York City loft, my dream apartment. It's perfect for living, for working, and entertaining. Thanks for taking a look.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.